Hi, welcome back to Auntie Knows Kitchen. Today I'm going to just do a really simple recipe, so simple, you know, you can have a kid with you. Really simple, quick and easy, a meal thrown together. It's basically turkey, rice, casserole. Really, it's a quick stovetop recipe. So in a moment we'll be back, get to talking, and we'll get to cooking. See what I'm going to do. I got a tablespoon of butter, and this is about a cup, half of water, about a cup and a 4 cup of water. And I'm going to use this granulated chicken bouillon in here. And oh, this is the best thing that, in my opinion, this is the best one. I'm going to add a tablespoon of this. Add a little bit more. Now this has salt in it, so you don't need to be adding any salt to this dish unless you're one of those people that just gotta have that salt. I got my rice going over here in my rice cooker. You see, I'm bringing this to a slight boil. Add some fresh ground pepper. Because I really just want to melt this butter. You can go, look, this is for Caitlin, so she loves black pepper like a mama. Guys, I don't need to add any salt, so I just want to slow this down. I just want to bring this to a boil. That's all I want to do for now, because, you know, can't do nothing until I get that rice completely cooked. You know, you can use a pot, but that's all I really want to do for now. Where is my, oh, it's over here. My dishwasher was unloaded. And to this, I buy turkey. I buy turkey wings, turkey legs, and I cook them. I do cook them, and I tear them apart. My husband wanted some of that left over. And all I'm doing, I just want to make sure that my butter gets incorporated in. This is some turkey legs, some turkey wings that I had baked, and I pulled them apart just for this purpose, and I put them in the freezer. Yet, if you follow me, you know I'm a prepper, not a doomsday prepper. Nah, I'm just a prepper. I cook, freeze, and buy in bulk, even though it's only 3 people in this house. I've always done that. I think I got that from my grandmother, because, you know, we used to do a lot of canning at the end of the season. So I'm going to turn this up. And see, like I said, I just really want to make sure that bouillon gets in that turkey. And this is so simple. A quick meal. That's it. It's a quick meal. So I'm going to let all this come to a boil, and I'll be back when that rice gets done. Again, guys, thanks for coming in, stopping by. You know, like I said, this is so simple. When you come home, you don't feel like it. Honey, if you got some if you got some chicken in your freezer, or you bought one of those rotisserie chicken and you're like, oh, I'm sick of eating this, shred that baby up, get you some rice, get you some cream of chicken soup. You can even cut some bell peppers up in this, you know, if you want to. See, this, throw you bouillon in here, honey, you good to go. The kids love this stuff. She's been eating this for years. But again, I'll be right back. Okay, back. Rice is done. I can really just turn this on. Okay, I need to rinse my rice. Yep, rinse all that starch off. Get all that starch off of there. I have a strainer that's inside of another bowl, and then it's easy to transfer it to the sink to be rinsed. Okay, to get this rinsed off with the cold water, also stop that cooking process. See, rinsing all that nasty starch off. Whew. No, it did not drip into that, but that's a dry bowl. Ha 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 ha. Okay, the inside of the bowl is wet. Now the outside of the bowl is wet. Because I'm going to rinse this rice off until there's practically no starchy water. Hope you guys are having a good day. I appreciate you tuning in to my channel. Today is Monday, the beginning of some people's work week who work Monday through Friday like I used to. Okay, that's all done. Put you over here. Again, I move things out the way once I'm done. So I can be sure I have a good workspace. All right. No, this has not been uncovered the whole time. Move you to the sink. So y'all nice and clean. All right. She's out the way. My freezer, my light bulb on the side of my refrigerator where my freezer is, and went out. So I was taking things out, putting it back in because I need to see. I need to protect this eye from getting wet. And remove this knob because mother's brain. I'm gonna turn this stove on. All right, now all this rice is not going into this. Just some of it because my little villagers, I'm doing some Asian food, and I need this rice to be cold, so this will be set in the fridge for tomorrow. So it's going to be divided. Then I have to cook some pasta for some romaine. Has to be cold, guys. You can't use. This girl loves this stuff. You eyeball. That's it. Just enough rice to turkey recipe to turkey and rice ratio. I'm not going to apologize. I'm not going to say, oh, sorry, guys, I had a little speech problem. I'm not apologizing for that because that's part of me. Okay. Turn this down, and I'm going to add this cream of chicken soup. Wash this can off. glad they started putting pop-tops on cans. Make things so much easier to put these pop-tops on cans. So much easier. All nice and clean. See, you just mix this. You can see specks of that herbos bouillon. You see those specks of that parsley in there. And what I'm gonna do, just gonna bring this to a boil. And I'm gonna take this rice and I'm put it to the side because Mother is going to put this in a bowl to be used later. Let me put a cover on it because I don't need it to dry out. I wish I could eat this. God, this is so quick and easy. Like I said, you know, you can stand there with a kid and they can do this. They can help with this. You know, it's good to involve your children in meal prep. Good job, Dusty. Good job. Good job. Thank you. Thank you. You look pretty. It's my mother-in-law. She looks so pretty. She don't like to be on camera.
Thank you, though.
Her voice can be on camera, guys, but she don't like to be on camera. Again, this, I'm going to plate some so you can see it up close. But Katie Pie, this is one of her favorite meals. Like I said, you can get a kid and you can get them to help with this. It's so easy. She don't like to be on camera.
No.
Say hello to my nieces and nephews.
Hello, y'all.
She's coming to pick up that bourbon bread pudding. I guess she's coming to say hello to us too.
And bring your tape.
Oh, yes. All right, guys. Here it is. And you know, you can add a little extra black pepper. It's already heavily peppered because that's the way she like it. But it's quick and easy. Turkey and rice. So simple and easy. Without. Just want to say thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you stopping by at Auntie Knows Kitchen. And you have an awesome day. Keep doing you. Whatever you do, be great at doing it. And when you know better, you do better. And when you keep doing better, you just keep getting better. Like and subscribe. Thanks for your views. I appreciate it. Every view, every like, every comment. If you have suggestions, I'm open to them. No problem, because you always can learn from other cooks. No problem with suggestions. Again, thanks for stopping by.